Hey, what's up, traders? Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you get tons of value from my content. And we are running a contest every month to pick a winner for free, full access to my academy, my trading group, my signal group, and a free phone call with me to figure out how I can help you in your own trading. So like, comment, and subscribe on as many videos as you can this month, and we'll pick a winner from the people that do randomly, and hopefully it'll be you, and hopefully I see you in my VIP group one day. So thanks for your support. Let's crush the markets. Peace. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I don't know where that saying came from, but anyways, I love Star Wars. So yeah, it was a really ranging day in the market today, but then we got some news that broke at the end of the day about more actions being taken by the Fed. So I think we have the start of a pretty significant risk on rally. So we had some great trades in VIP on Canadian pairs, which I planned out in our weekly week ahead video yesterday. So I posted that. We followed through on US dollar CAD. We are in Euro USD, and then also Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's take a look at those. And before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe. If you'd like to be a part of our amazing trading group, we'd love to have you. Click links below to get started. So that being said, let's get right into it here. All right, so really not much to show here on dollar Canadian, except that we did have this false breakout here into this area, which I was expecting yesterday in our week ahead video. So as long as we trade under here, you know, I love this setup. Anytime I can find a false breakout like this, these are some of my favorite trades. So, you know, targeting this area, which would, you know, be the 140 area, which also we have a moving average going through here. So this looks like a great confluence for us to target. So hopefully we'll start to see some downside, especially if we get more risk on market sentiment, which, judging by the way the market's ended today, that seems like a pretty big possibility. So Euro USD here, we just entered it towards the end of the day. We have this nice little zone right here, which you can see we are bouncing off of, which is also this 38.2% retracement here. So, you know, if we're just looking at if the game plan was buying dips after a breakout, that's exactly what we're doing here. So we have our breakout, we have our dip, and you know, this is just a great case pretty much of buying dips. And so this is a big part of my game plan, you know, not to overcomplicate things. We're at some support here, so we'll see if this plays out and gives us a nice rally to this 178.6% retracement, which comes in at 110.50 area, or maybe even the whole retrace of this big move at the start of the market sell-off. So definitely going to be watching this. Really like this setup. Towards the end of the day here, this was, and I was glad I was long. I'm going to take a look at the Dow, and you know, I was kind of scalping along here into this area. Scalping along these moves right at these wicks, and then we got that news broke, and then boom, big breakout. And so, you know, I think this could be the start of another move higher. How high? You know, it's hard to say, but like we're on the support here. We filled this gap here. So, you know, I would like to think just another full on fill of this gap. You can see on the 4-hour would happen. And then, of course, what we want to do always So we know we got rejected, not quite at the 61.8. So maybe we make another run at it, or the 78.6% retracement. But from where we're at now, really looks like we've broken out here. So as long as we stay above this area, then I'm going to be looking for higher prices in, say, the Dow, the S&P 500. And as long as that's the case, and I talked about this on the week ahead video, really watching risk and trading off the risk sentiment of the market is going to be super important this week. And so, you know, it's definitely proving to do that. And here we are, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So the 61.8% retracement seems pretty good. And so, you know, the market's closed temporarily for the Asian session. So getting back in, like after, maybe if we dip lower, I'm going to personally try to add to my position. So this looks very good for Euro USD position. Looks good for our you know, dollar CAD. That's only going to strengthen the Canadian dollar. And then at the end of the day, we added on to NZDUSD. Where are we at? Hiding. There it is. Hiding in plain sight. And so, you know, what I see here looks a lot like a double bottom. Change this around a bit. Now this is the way it looks like it's starting to shape up here. And, you know, if we're looking at buying dips, this looks like another great dip opportunity. And just to top that off, a little breakout. We can see we have our break higher, retest. And so let's see if we can get some continuation higher here. It would also create a bit of a double bottom, with this being with the blue line being the neckline. So if we can break above there, I think that's going to be great for NZDUSD trade, and just another leg higher in risk. So going into turnaround Tuesday tomorrow, going to be looking at, you know, NZDUSD, CAD, Euro, and just watching to see how these this risk sentiment plays out in the market. I haven't really looked at pound dollar, and we could be, I don't know, gearing up for another leg higher here in cable as well. So definitely want to watch, most definitely. Here we are. And, you know, if you can get a hold of cable on a dip and get on the right side of it, it sucks when you're on the wrong side of it. You know, you can really get some big movements because it moves fast when it does. So pound dollar looks like it has potential. So what I'm saying here is if because of this movement on the Fed, then that's going to bring high, as long as it continues to bring higher prices. And I'm particularly watching the US30 right now, which looks like it's broken out. If we get something like that, this over next days, 2 days, it's very possible. Look, high, high, high. Then I'm gonna be looking for kind of your risk sentiment across the board. That's what that's gonna be my trading plan going into turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. So should be pretty good, and we're shaping up nicely. So hope y'all are staying safe out there, you know, making the best of the situation. It'll all be over soon. I appreciate the support. Click the link below to get started, and I will see you in the VIP chat. All right, everybody. Peace.